Yes, hello guys, welcome on Europedia platform. I hope your interview preparation is going fine. So guys, let's start with one more interview questions which was recently asked in IOCL interview. What is extra Tej LPG? Okay, this year only this question was asked. Okay, this is actually one of the product related to IOCL in gas sector. So you need to be aware about this extra Tej LPG. As the name itself is defining guys, extra Tej. Extra Tej means some extra energy. Means this is actually a LPG gas with some kind of nano based additive. So some nano additives are added in the conventional LPG gas to boost its what you can say the temperature, the flame temperature. Okay, we are getting a rise in 65 degree. They actually mentioned in their website that 65 degrees Celsius is the rise in temperature, flame temperature we are getting, and yes, the energy we are getting more, so it is actually resulting in the lesser consumption of the gas. Okay, and the cooking time actually decreasing. Okay, so what you need to say if it will be asked to you in any interview, what you can say, sir, extra Tej it is actually a nano based additive gas in which we added some kind of additive so that its you can say performance, the heat efficiency that will increase, so that we will able to increase the fuel economy and the flame temperature will increase. Okay, let me tell you some more basic things about this extra Tej. You know, देखो इसका की फीचर्स क्या है. एक तो रिड्यूस्ड फ्यूल कंजप्शन, वी विल हैव ए फ्यूल रिडक्शन इन फ्यूल कंजप्शन एंड दैट विल बी क्लोजली 5% saving in LPG. They mentioned on their website, so you can highlight those data. There is no such problem in highlighting this data. Okay, improved heat output efficiency. Okay, 40% reduction in cooking time. If you will carry out pressure cooking, you can observe a 40% reduction in the cooking time and 65 degree Celsius increase in the flame temperature. ओके, जो एलपीजी का फ्लेम टेम्परेचर उसमें 65 डिग्री आपको क्या मिलेगा, राइज मिलेगा. ओके, लेट मी टेल यू सम मोर थिंग्स अबाउट दिस एलपीजी. देखो ये क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी बन सकता है, व्हाई टू यूज extra Tej. First they can ask you what is extra Tej LPG, then why to use that extra Tej, then third question, where you can use. Okay, so where you can use this gas guys, now it is actually available for commercial and industrial use only. You cannot use it for domestic purpose. This time it is not available for domestic purpose. Okay, but now it is available in most of the cities. It is available for commercial and industrial use. Okay, and it is available in 19 kg, 47.5 kg and 425 kg कमर्शियल सिलेंडर्स, जो ब्लू कलर के आपके सिलेंडर्स आते हैं उसमें ये अवेलेबल है. सो यू कैन यूज इन इंडस्ट्रीज एंड फॉर कमर्शियल पर्पस. ओके, नॉट फॉर डोमेस्टिक पर्पस. लेट मी टेल यू सम मोर की फीचर्स अबाउट एलपीजी. यू नो गाइस, एलपीजी इज व्हाट? इट इज अ लिक्विफाइड पेट्रोलियम गैस that we extracted from oil and gas well. During distillation of crude oil also we extract this gas. This is nothing but actually a combination mixture of what? Propane and butane. Propane और butane का ही क्या होता है? मिक्सचर होता है. It is a highly flammable gas and this gas is denser than the air. There is a major problem with this gas. Why? As compared to CNG, because CNG is lighter than air, LPG is heavier than air. So this actually easily displace the air and accumulate at the ground. Why? Because this is heavier than the air, and when it will accumulate at the ground guys, there are major chances ki, like if some kind of electricity is there, some kind of fire is there, so this gas is highly flammable. It is non-toxic gas, but this gas is highly flammable, so some kind of accident can happen. So that's why very much care you need to you can say you need to handle this LPG with a very care, so that there no such kind of what you can say accident will happen. Okay, so you need to handle this gas very carefully. So this ignition temperature of this LPG is 470 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius. Flame temperature is 967, close to 2000 you can say, and calorific value is higher guys. देखो आपको वो कंफ्यूज करेगा, वो पूछेगा आपसे कि LPG का calorific value is lower or higher than diesel or petrol. It is higher. But if he will ask you about the energy density of LPG is low. Why? Because this is actually a gas, liquid gas, but you are using it as a gas only. So gases ka their density is very low, so their energy density is very low, because energy density is the energy content, energy liberated by the complete combustion of a 1 liter of a fuel. Okay, तो 1 लीटर गैस को जब आप कंबस्ट करोगे, the energy liberated will be less, because it is a gas actually, liquefied form maybe. But if you will measure the calorific value in terms of megajoule per kg, so this is higher. Okay, kg में तो आपको लीटर वॉल्यूम तो ज़्यादा लेना पड़ेगा, but kg mass if you will take same, then energy density will be more. Why actually we convert it into liquid gas? Because this gas actually, when you are converting into liquid, we are able to reduce its volume by 270 times. You know, like if you will supply this gas in some form of, like if you are interested to supply it in the form of gas, gaseous form, so you need to handle 270 times more volume. The volume which is there inside the cylinder, you need to handle more than 270 times of that volume. So actually it is going to take a size of a large size, what you can say, tank. Okay, then even like for a one domestic use, you need to provide a large type tank which can be moved by a truck only. So एक truck आएगा आपके घर पे if you want to use it in a gaseous form. That's why it is initially it is liquefied at a very high pressure. We generally compress this gas at a pressure close to 16 to 17 bar. Okay, you can check the vapor pressure at where that 20 degrees Celsius or 30 degrees Celsius, close to that, the gas where it will convert into liquid. The gaseous form, gas to किसमें convert हो जाएगा, liquid form में. So we are actually condensing that gas. You know, by increasing the pressure we can increase the boiling point. Pressure जब हम बढ़ाते हैं तो boiling point क्या हो जाता है, बढ़ जाता है. And when boiling point will increase, what you can say, you can easily condense that gas at high temperature also. That is a simple thing which we are doing. Okay, by increasing the pressure of the gas, boiling point is increasing and we are able to condense the gas. Okay, तो ये कुछ और पॉइंट्स है. LPG एक्सपैंड करता है, तो 1 लीटर जो लिक्विड प्रोपेन है, लाइक इफ आई विल कंपेयर विद प्रोपेन ओनली, बिकॉज इट इज एक्चुअली मिक्सचर, देयर इज नो सच फिक्स्ड कंपोजिशन. इट मे बी प्रोपेन ऑल्सो, इट मे बी ब्यूटेन ऑल्सो, एंड इट मे बी मिक्सचर ऑफ प्रोपेन एंड ब्यूटेन. सो इफ यू टॉक अबाउट प्रोपेन, 1 liter propane, actually liquid propane, it is going to take 270 liter propane gas. Okay, it can convert into 270 liter propane gas or 0.27 meter cube. 1000 लीटर क्या होता है, that is equal to 1 meter cube. That's why 270 liter we can write it as something like this. Okay, so these are the basic things which actually I have discussed with you. What is this extra tej, what is LPG, why to use extra tej, and where you can use extra tej. Hope you this point is clear to all of you. Let's again meet soon we will meet again and we will discuss some more question about IOCL or the important question which can be asked in interview related to IOCL, HPCL or any other ONGC also. Okay, the questions related to oil and gas, these are very important for these type of domains. So keep preparing. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.